On the first day of Christmas, I said to my mate, I'm a-going hunting and I might be home late. The next day of Christmas seems I lost my way, and I ain't seen my cabin since dawn yesterday. Oh, what a Christmas. I'm lonely and lost, and I'm shaking and sneezing and covered with frost. I fell in the river and lost all my food. Don't sing me no carols, 'cause I ain't in the mood. Next year at Christmas, I think I'll use my head and spend the 12 days of Christmas in my bed.
Next year, stay home.
You be careful with that squirrel gun now, Wendell.
Oh, heck, it ain't even loaded.